Hello everyone, how to Tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to find any communities on a Discord application. So you can see this is a Discord app. So what you need to do, you need to click here explore communities, then you have to search which communities you're going to find. If you have the exact user ID, then you can type, or for example if you like a hobby, type and click the enter button. Then you will see all the hobby related community here and their face. So there are some filter here like all. If you like a gaming, then click the gaming. If you like a general chatting, then you will find here entertainment, content creator, art, and all the things here it's available. You can join. So for example if you like this one, then click here this community, and here you can see join the Hello Archive. Once you click there, then you will be you subscribe this community. So okay friend, today's no more, and see you the next video.